Now, we have to discuss voltage division principle in series circuits. So, voltage division takes place in series circuits, current division takes place in parallel circuits. The statement for this, the voltage in any of the series branches is equal to the ratio of present branch resistance to the total resistance in the circuit, which is multiplied by total voltage. In case of current division principle, the current in any of the parallel branch, here series, should be equal to the ratio of, here it is present branch, but in case of current division principle, ratio of opposite branch resistance to the total resistance. Simple. Proof. Consider supply voltage, we have R1, again I am considering two branches, this is R1, this is R2. The voltage across this is nothing but IR1 and between this is IR2. Why I? Because in series circuit current is same, no? That is why I into R1, like this I into R2, this is supply voltage V. Okay. Across this the voltage is what? V1 is equals to I1 R1, here V2 is equals to I2 R2. Okay. So, from this first we have to calculate R equivalent. These two are connected in series. So, R1 plus R2 clear. From this I is equals to what? V by R equivalent, that is V by R1 plus R2 clear. And from this first we have to calculate the voltage across this branch, no, that is V1 which is equals to I into R1. So, from this I is equals to what? V into R1 by R1 plus R2. Substitute this I value into this equation. So, simply V1 is equals to what? V into R1 by R1 plus R2. So, like this V2 is equals to what? I into R2 which is equals to V into R2 by R1 plus R2, V into R2 by R1 plus R2. See, the voltage in any of the series branches, the voltage in this series branch should be equals to the, that is V1 should be equals to the ratio of that present branch resistance. What is the present branch resistance? R1, ratio of that present branch resistance to the total resistance, which is multiplied by total voltage. Like that V2 should be equals to R2 by R1 plus R2 into V. But in case of current division principle, ratio of that opposite branch resistance to the total, but here ratio of that present branch resistance to the total resistance. So, like this, for example, if we consider one example, this is 10 volts, this is 2 ohms, this is 3 ohms. Then we have to calculate V1 across this branch, V2 across this branch. Okay. From this V1 should be equals to what? Total voltage into present branch resistance by total resistance. 2 plus 3 5, 5 into 2. So, V1 equals to what? 4 volts. Like this V2 is equals to what? Total voltage into present branch resistance 3 by 5, which is equals to what? 6 volts. So, 4 plus 6 10, satisfied. Or you can calculate current which is equals to I equals to what? 10 by 2 plus 3. From this I is equals to what? 10 by 2 plus 3 which is equals to 2 amps. So, 2 into 2 4 volts, this 2 into 3 6 volts, satisfied. At any case you will get the correct answer. Okay. This is voltage division principle.